Think safety? Think Heatleys. Heatleys Safety and Industrial. Want total control over staff work equipment? Heatleys Safety and Industrial ensures you can distribute PPE and industrial equipment to your staff from a convenient location you choose through a Heatleys vending machine. An employee runs his or her supplied key fob over an optical reader, enters the appropriate code, and the machine drops the item, ready for immediate use. Then supplies you with a monthly online report of all transactions. You have complete stock control of what is being taken, who has taken it, and what it is costing. Heatleys will stock the vending machine to your requirements from our leading suppliers. We can supply both safety vending machines and chemical vending machines. And the machines are restocked by your staff from online stock level reports. For larger items such as hard hats and boots, etc., our vending system means that staff members can redeem large items with a Heatleys voucher card. From your store manager. This means everything is accounted for. There are many benefits. Know exactly what has been taken, when and by whom. Services workers coming from a break. Alleviates traffic and congestion at busy store areas. Ensures on-site safety standards. Custom inventory for build crews. Faster, more convenient access to PPE equipment at all times. Reduces workers' downtime. Streamlines reordering of PPE consumables. Increases productivity. Reduces stock holding and increases cash flow. Heatleys Safety and Industrial. Keeping both your staff and your stock levels safe.